Hello. My Posh will not boot up. When I press the power button, I get the logo, but it just hangs at the logo, won't do anything. I can't turn it off. Can't get it to boot. The only way to do anything is to remove the battery. I tried getting into recovery mode, which I can do by pushing the up volume button and the power button simultaneously. Which gets me to the little android guy lying on his back. And then by pushing various buttons, I can eventually, I now am on the recovery mode menu. But the problem is that one of the selections in recovery mode is supposed to be reset to factory default. I do not appear to have that option. I can go up and down. The first option is reboot system, which doesn't help. It just reboots it and gets stuck on the logo again. And then the next option is apply update from A, and then apply update from S. And those are the only three options. One of the options is supposed to be reset to factory, but I do not have that option, and I think the only way to get this phone working again is to somehow figure out a way to reset it to factory default. Any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.